BBC London has found a church in South London promoting the use of fake COVID-19 cures. It's doing it despite repeatedly being warned by authorities to stop selling scam coronavirus therapies. Well, the church in Camberwell has maintained to us they're convinced the products do work. However, authorities say it's highly dangerous and irresponsible. Guy Lynn has this special report.
The most powerful church in whole Europe.
They boast of power in their promotional video, with charismatic leader Bishop Climate. But the Kingdom Church in Camberwell is in hot water over claims about the power of its products that it's selling to the public. And here's one we purchased. It's called Divine Cleansing Oil. Apparently all you have to do is pour a few drops into some hot water and inhale. And alarmingly, the public are being told that this is a way to cure coronavirus. They've been selling it for up to £70 on their website and were previously wrapped by the Charity Commission for labelling it a plague protection kit. But posing as a customer, talking to several of their staff in Camberwell, I discover they're still continuing their misleading claims.
You've got your cleansing oil, inhale, you're going to cough. If there's anything that you've got in there, it's going to come out.
So it definitely cures and protects you from coronavirus?
Yes. Give them that product, let them use it, and he'll see the effect. He'll see that they'll recover from the corona.
And you're saying that lots of people have already purchased this?
It's so many who have been cured. So many people have been cured.
What's worrying is customers are being encouraged to ignore government safety guidance on social distancing.
Make sure they inhale properly and they know the cleanse from it, so at least they can work together.
The church says with their product anyone can go back to work, but just not be seen to stand close to one another outside to avoid arousing any suspicion.
When it's outside, you have to be cautious because the government put down those social distancing rules. Yes. You don't want the police to rock up there because somebody report you.
I'm astounded. I just cannot believe that people are so callous, so reckless with personal and public safety of the people they're selling it to put this sort of product on the market with the claims that go with it when there's nothing at all to substantiate those claims. It's outrageous.
Bishop Climate Ministries denied they'd encouraged anyone to break the rules and confirmed they'd sold nearly 2,000 of these kits, maintaining it did cure coronavirus and its symptoms. The authorities say they're continuing to tackle a flow of fake products like this oil. Elsewhere, useless masks, disposable gloves and sanitisers, just one click away, even COVID-19 testing kits. As the effort to tackle the virus intensifies, so does the fear and exploitation that goes hand in hand.